The Philippines is a country I've wanted to visit for a long time. I mean, every time I see a picture of Coron or El Nido come up on my feed, I still can't believe it's real. I mean, it honestly looks like real life Avatar. But this trip is more than just that. This is one of the last real chances that my friends and I are all gonna have to be together before residency starts. Okay, so the flight leaves in 2 days. I'm about to pack up all the camera gear up in the backpack. So I thought I'd show what that really entails. So this is everything, and that's the bag. I don't think that everything's gonna fit. Some chargers, maybe some FPV stuff is gonna have to go into the suitcase that we'll check in. But other than that, everything else goes in this backpack.
Right, left, and then right.
Another. Yes. Sa una man, be. Ayan.
All right, we're in Coron now. We just woke up. It's like 5:30, 5:45, and we rented some scooters to drive like an hour and a half to Salvacion, which is a city on the other side of the island. And then from there, we're going to this place called Black Island via boat. It's supposed to be like less touristy and have like caves and cave pools. So it should be fun, but we'll see how it goes. We got here and the wind was super high, and so the Coast Guard said we couldn't actually take any of the boats out from the island today. But they made a call and it looks like everything's good, so we're about to head out.
This is my boat.
Oh, this is your boat?
Yes, perfect. Did Nicole?
Yeah.
All right, so we just made it to Black Island, and it looks absolutely amazing. The water's like crazy blue, and there's only a few other boats here. It's absolutely wild. The local said that there's some caves that we can actually explore and like lead to different beaches and stuff. So we're gonna go check those out and see how they are.
I don't know what the sign says, but I think it agrees with you.
I think just the ladder being there is...
There's two little ladders.
There's like a couple ladders going into the cave, so we're just gonna go up and see what's inside. Our plans are starting to fall apart a little bit. A couple days ago, we went to Black Island. That was kind of questionable, up in the air with the wind. The big highlight of this trip was really a boat trip between Coron and El Nido. It's like a 3-day trip, and you hop around on the islands and do spearfishing and snorkeling. But that was actually supposed to be today. We were supposed to leave this morning, and the wind is just too strong, so all the expeditions are canceled again. I guess we'll see what happens. We still have one more day to make it happen. We were looking around for something overnight where we could really camp on the beaches and stuff like that, and I didn't think we were going to be able to, but we finally found this little island that's close by called Darokatan Island. We found it maybe 15 minutes ago, and they're supposed to pick us up in like the next hour or so, and hopefully spend the night and camp on the beach and explore some of the underwater stuff around the area. All right, so we just got to Darokatan Island, and it's pretty much a lot of empty beaches and not too many people. I think we're gonna rent some snorkels, hop in the water, and see what we can finally find underwater. I bet you can't score on me.
Guys, kayo ba?